dumpster rental service in Jenks, Oklahoma. If you are looking for reliable dumpster rental services in Jenks, Oklahoma, Helping Cans LLC is the solution to all your waste disposal needs. Specializing in both residential and commercial projects, Helping Cans LLC offers a variety of dumpster sizes, ensuring that every job, big or small, is handled with ease. Whether you're managing construction debris, cleaning out your home, or tackling a large-scale project, they have the right size and service to meet your needs. What makes Helping Cans LLC stand out is their dedication to supporting the local community. Every rental helps contribute to charitable causes, meaning your choice to rent with them has a lasting impact beyond just removing waste. With a focus on punctuality, professionalism, and transparent pricing, Helping Cans LLC takes the guesswork out of dumpster rentals. Their experienced team is ready to assist with selecting the right dumpster, ensuring on-time delivery, and answering any questions you may have. For a straightforward booking process, you can easily schedule online or give them a call at 918-216-0151. If you're in Jenks, Oklahoma, and need a dumpster rental service that combines great customer service with community involvement, Helping Cans LLC is your top choice.